Good day, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, API Codes. Today, we'll be looking at a different topic other than payments. Now, this is actually related to payment, but in a different way because all payment needs verification. So, you need to be verified, you need to verify your customers, you need to perform some certain levels of authentication and authorization for your customers. And most of this data that you need are gotten from the customer's BVN. If you're in Nigeria, you must have a bank verification number. The other source of verification, like your plate number, your international passport, the other means of verifying those information if the person's data that you provided is accurate. So this is actually very important so that it cannot be frauded, defrauded at any point in time. So let's look at, I found this out, Identitypass. I've used it a couple of times for my verification process, and they're actually nice to use. So you can check them out. They perform even BVN, driver's license, international passport, and they span across a couple of countries in Africa, and they're very nice to use though. Very nice. So you can check them out and see how it goes. So this is just an introductory video regarding what they do. They even give you analytics. Yeah, so check them out. And this is not a sponsored ad for them, but you can actually get to use their products if you deem it fit. So you can look at it. So this is it. They even have their documentation. So let's go through their documentation. Let's go through their documentation. So I have it here. So look at it. So you can see it here. They have the live base URL where you'll be using it, the live key and everything there. Then they have the sandbox for testing purposes. Then if you see it here, you have the response code here. 00 successful, 01 ID not found, service is not available, 03 insufficient wallet balance. So how it works is that you actually fund your wallet from your bank account. Then from there, a particular charge will be, a fee will be charged per request made to the endpoint. So once you make a request, a fee will be charged and the response will be given to you. So you can look at verification statuses here: pending, not verified, verified. So you can please note that your merchant key can be gotten from your settings page on the portal. So that's just for the introduction for the documentation. You can see the webhook. Like I previously said, webhooks are very, very important. So they provide the webhook for you, and you can set it up here. So you can set it up here. Then security, they have a signature which you can pass through for a webhook and a token. Okay, these two headers can be certified, used to verify that the data coming are from our system. So I had something like this for Flutterwave some time ago. I had something like this which I use for Flutterwave. Let me just show you. So where the signature and this to confirm that it's from Flutterwave. So the same thing, the same method, nothing much there. Just confirm that this encoding of your public key is actually from them. So then you get the response. This is what they give you, and this is the checkout. So there's not too much there to be seen. So just your normal webhook, so which you write, and you can get the other keys, the keys from your settings, and then you can now start using their products. So let's look at verification. They have various verifications, like for Rwanda they had the NID, passport. Uganda they had business verification. Nigeria has a lot: bank account, your driver's license, credit bureau, international passport, mashup, phone number. So you can just verify a lot of things. So we are just going to be going through all these things one by one and see how it goes. So that's just it. Let's look at the pricing. Let's look at the pricing. It's a very important thing to do. Look at the pricing. Okay, okay. Let me see. Okay, let's go to the pricing here. Okay, standard pricing per successful API call $0.12. So that's about if in naira you're having 0.12 in naira to naira. That's like 55 naira, probably 60 naira per API call. Okay, so they have the custom premium access where you book. They have the enterprise pricing. So most times people actually use this. They recommend you to use this because of you have the full access to as many APIs for free for a very lesser amount than this standard price. So it is actually a paid service. It's pay as you use. So you make your API call, you get debited from your wallet, and you get your response. So that's just it. And check out their products. They have the identity verification, identity graph, and the identity radar. Then we have these financial services and crypto exchange and mobility. So these are actually very important. Yeah, they're very important in the KYC processes for several businesses. So okay, so I'll say this is the end of it. You can check out their their products and let me know in the comment below if what you think about them, if you love them, if you like them, and if which of their products you like to use in your projects and your company. So thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe. Let's keep building wonderful apps, and have a great day.